Hello, it's Jim again. Okay, here we are. I got the chain in and I put in the distributor. The only thing that really took me a while here was just cleaning off the old gasket. Getting that surface nice and clean is important. And down in there, yeah, you just see it. There's a rod. That's your oil pump shaft. I had to fish it out from in the pan. I got it in there. I removed the keeper, which is kind of a no-no, but I don't want to take the pan off. So now that I've got the distributor in, I'm going to keep it in, because removing the distributor, possibly, if it sticks to that shaft will come up with the distributor and possibly not go back in again. So I got the distributor, I believe, top dead center, number 1 cylinder, as it sits. So I'm going to leave her there. Start assembling this again. I better go get myself a thermostat. And yeah, so that'll fix that. Over here, this is the old timing chain. It's just I believe that's the original chain. And look at that. It's some sort of a neoprene plasticky stuff. Surprising it's got no wear on it, but the chain was definitely bad. So yeah, batteries are running out here, so I'll charge up and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.